our soils. What is a soil? Soil is uppermost layer of the earth. Soil supports growth of plants. All living beings depend on plants for their life. Do you know, children, how is soil formed? Yes. Soil is formed with nature forces, heat, water and wind. These break rock into smaller pieces. Further, break into sand and silt. Soil formation is a very slow process. It takes thousands of years to form a thin layer of soil. Let us learn types of soils in India. India is an agricultural country. Soil plays an important role in progress of our country. India has different landforms. So, different kinds of soils are found in India. They are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil, and last one is desert soil. Let us discuss one by one. The first one is alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is a very fertile soil. It is made up of fine silt deposited by the rivers. It is found in the northern plains, and eastern coastal plains. It is suitable for growing rice, wheat, pulses, vegetables and cotton. Next one is black soil. It is black in color. So we call black soil. It has been formed from lava rocks. So it is also called black lava soil. Black soil can hold a large amount of moisture. Moisture means water vapor. It is found in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat. It is suitable for growing cotton, wheat, sugarcane and oilseeds. Next one is red soil. Red soil found in Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Telangana. Red soil is red in color. It is less fertile soil. It is suitable for growing cotton, wheat, rice, pulses Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, West Bengal and Assam. It forms when minerals are washed away from the soil due to very heavy rainfall. When this is properly manured, then it can be used to grow cotton, rubber, tea, coffee can be grown this soil. Next one is mountain soil. It is found on the hill slopes. It is found on the hill slopes like Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh and West Bengal. It is rich in humus. Humus means fertilizer formed when dead leaves and plants remains in the soil for a long time. So that is we call humus. Next one, desert soil, or we say sandy soil. It is found in Rajasthan, Punjab and Gujarat. It is sandy and infertile soil. However, if water is available for irrigation, then it can be used to grow wheat, rice, barley, pulses and millets. Children, you know how is soil erosion? Yes. When the topsoil is removed by the rainwater and wind, that is we call soil erosion. Soil loses its fertility due to soil erosion. Children, we must know the how to prevent soil erosion and how to protect the soil. Like we should not cut the trees, we should plant more trees. Do not keep the fields barren. Stop overgrazing of land. We should add manure and natural fertilizer instead of artificial fertilizer. And we should know how to increase of fertility of soil. So we should fertility of soil increased by adding cow dung and green manure. Children, here you have different kinds of soils in India. Let us know about these soils. The first one is alluvial soil. This is a very fertile soil. It is made up of fine silt deposited by the rivers. So next one is black soil. See children, which color is this soil? Yes, black in color. It has formed from lava rock. So we call black lava soil. So it is rich in moisture. Moisture means water vapor. So next one is red soil. See, this is red soil. It is red in color. It is less fertile soil. So next one is desert soil, or we say sandy soil. It is sandy and infertile soil. So next, laterite soil. This is laterite soil. Bricks are made of laterite soil. Next one is mountain soil. It is found on the hill slopes. It is rich in humus.